Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get to Task Manager on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you'd like to do is just go into your Windows or open your PC that contains the Windows 11. Of course, if you're a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and upgrade right now and for free into Windows 11. Of course, you can run the installation or the download of Windows 11 into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. Of course, your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem, especially if you have a especially if you have a good PC. Of course, once the download or the installation is finished, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you'll find your Windows 11 ready to use whenever you want. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any personal files or apps for you, so don't worry about that. And you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want. But of course, when you will get used to Windows 11, you will like it much better than 10, in my opinion. And of course, as we said in the beginning of the video, is we would like to get to Task Manager on the Windows 11. So how can we do that actually? So the first thing that we would like to do, simply we can just go into our taskbar here and right click on it. As you can see, this what's popping up for me, but for you will not have this. I'm just having an application that getting me back the old Windows 10 taskbar. But of course, for you, you'll have three options. You will have sign-in options, you will have taskbar settings, and you will have this task manager option on your own taskbar when you right click on it. Just click at task manager, and that should open your Windows 11 task manager. And of course, here you can do a lot of stuff. You can actually see the processes, you can see the performance of your PC, you can see the app history, and disable or enable the startup apps. And of course, here you'll find the users on your PC, here the details, and even the services if you want to turn something on or off. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.